hopefully all of you have had enough time to work on this warm-up to where you feel ready to go over it. These 4 questions are excellent test questions, so please make sure that you know what you're doing before you have to take your test. So we're going to go through these together. If we look at number 1 is giving you arc measures and an angle measure. So what kind of angle relationship is that? Well, this is an exterior angle. So how do I find exterior angles? I do big arc minus little arc divided by 2 equals the angle. So big arc minus little arc. Here's where you're going to get wrong. Your little arc has 2 pieces. Whenever you're subtracting 2 pieces, you have to put them both in parentheses. So your brain remembers to distribute that negative because you have to subtract both. If you don't put this negative and you don't put this second arc in parentheses, this negative is not going to be able to be subtracting both. You want to subtract both, which is why it goes in parentheses. That's going to be your kicker on your test, so be careful. Divided by 2 equals angle. So I'm going to distribute that negative, so I have 5x minus 4 minus x minus 8 all over 2 equals 38. So I'm going to do kind of a couple things at the same time. I'm going to clean up the left side, and I'm going to multiply by 2 at the same time. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So I have 4x minus 12 equals 76. I'm now going to add 12. 4x equals 88 divided by 4. X is 22. I'm just going to go down now and do number 3. So number 3, I'm giving this length and this length. What do you know about those lengths? They're equal. So 4x plus 5 equals 6x minus 9. So I get 14 equals 2x. So x equals 7. If I look at this next one, number 2, start at x. X is what kind of angle? It's an inscribed angle. Notice the piece of pie I'm making. So 98 plus 115 makes the arc for x. 98 plus 115 is 213. So how do I find x? Divide by 2. 106.5. Degrees. Don't forget your degree signs. Y. If I know x, how do I find y? Opposite angles in an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. So 180 minus 106.5 is 73.5. All right. Hopefully you're all doing okay. Let's now look at number 4. Number 4, what are you given? I'm given a tangent and a secant. So outside squared, notice it's 2 things, I got to put it in parentheses, equals outside times whole. So I could write x minus 3 plus 16, or I could combine like terms and make x plus 13 for my whole. So I know I have to double distribute my right side, so x squared minus 3x plus 13x minus 39. On my right side, you're going to forget, whenever you have a squared, scribble it out and write x plus 3. Double distribute x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Clean it up. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equals x squared plus 10x minus 39. Subtract my x squareds. They cancel out. Subtract 6x. I have 9 equals 4x minus 39. Add 39 to the other side. 39 plus 9 is 48. So I have 48 equals 4x. So x equals 12. Make sure all of you are okay with this warm-up. Make sure you check with the people sitting next to you that you're good to go, and then we will keep going.